Yeah.
Yeah, I really want to.
That's all. Oh yeah.
I was talking to David.
All right, we're going to get a new drive shaft.
Good morning, everybody. So we just came outside. It's about 7 a.m. Everything's looking good. I didn't make any other videos last night because it got late. So once we finished welding the spring perches on, we just went inside and I edited up the first video, which you guys have already seen. And now we are getting the windows defrosted or fogged. And we're gonna check tire pressures, make sure that everything is good to go, and hit the road to Atlanta. So I got about a 5-6 hour drive, and should be fairly smooth, except for the fact that I've got some basically street legal drag slicks on the back that I've been told by like 5 people are sketchy. So that'll be fun. Hopefully when I get to Atlanta, I could get a new set of tires. But that's the little update, and I will see you in the next clip. Guys, look how cold it is out here. Everything's like icing. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, so now I'm ready to hit the road. The heat works really good in here, and got my GPS set up. We got 333 miles to Atlanta. Got my stereo system ready, all my goodies, and we're gonna hit the road. So enjoy the montages. See you in the next clip. What's up, everybody? So just made it to South Carolina. Drove the truck about 120 miles so far, and everything's going good. No issues whatsoever. The truck feels great. It's got tons of power, and just been comfy so far. Been jamming out, and I got about I think I got about 2 hours left to go. So just made it to the sign. If you guys have seen my trip with Gold Dust, I'm not going on grass anymore. But yeah, so gonna keep driving, and we'll see you in the next clip. All right, guys, just stopped to get some more fuel. I don't have a fuel gauge, so figured about 200 miles in, let's just top it off. Better be safe than sorry. Alright guys, so just pulled over. We just got to Georgia at the rest stop, and yeah, truck's still running great. Got about 100 miles left till I get to P15 in Atlanta, and I'm just gonna keep going. So we'll see you on the road. Got here to P15, everybody's like, all right, you need to do your first burnout, because I've been kind of keeping it mild until I got close enough to a shop that if something breaks, we can fix it. So here we go. Hopefully it does one. Oh! There goes the shaft. All right, guys, so did not do the best job. The drive shaft shot itself out. Oh, it destroyed itself real fast. And
we're gonna have to push it back to the shop. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, so Matt got the little toolkit.
Yeah, pulling out the Atlas bag. Please send me a sponsor so I can stop using Husky tools. I'm kidding. They've been great tools, man. They lasted me a long time. Yeah, so we're gonna rip out this drive shaft real quick.
Well, we already ripped it out.
Oh.
Now we're just gonna finish it. How's the bottom?
The rest of the yoke we gotta rip out. Oh,
Yeah.
man.
How's it look under there?
Dude, it's really clean.
I knew that. I meant, does anything look damaged?
All right, ready, boys? Oh, ready, we're going. Off to the races. All right, glider right on. Oh wait. Yeah, clear to the bottom.
Yeah, no. Hit your nice roll-up door.
Huh?
Hit the roll-up door.
Yeah.
Going to Betty White. Man, you were going fast.
Owned her
24 hours.
24 hours and already broke it. The crazy part is the last time that I had a truck parked here, it was also broken.
It's Ford F100 life.
Oh man. All right, so I guess I'm gonna figure out where to get a new drive shaft. I will update you guys on that, and then we're still gonna do a little update tour of P15 in a little bit, and we'll see you then. Yeah.
Yeah, I really want one.
That's all.
Oh yeah.
I was talking to David.
All right, we're going to get a new drive shaft. All right, so we're just under here measuring, and bye-bye Flowmaster. But everything else looks good. Like nothing really got damaged other than that.
Yeah, that looks everything's solid. Tycon, just send some tie down. Replace this old stainless.
Yeah. Hutch, if you're watching, we might need to do a full exhaust, maybe some twin turbos or something.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna go grab a drive shaft. Woohoo! All right, guys. So, like I said, when we broke the drive shaft, we wanted to do a little shop update. So here we go.
What's
you guys
up,
know
guys?
Bennett.
How y'all doing?
Great.
All right.
So what do we got? Let's show them some of the newer stuff.
Yeah, man. We're got a lot of cool inventory in. We got a huge stack of Hutchinsons. We got a big old tire rack now. BF Goodrich really should give us a big old shout out at this point.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, we'll do a quick
And you
glance
guys are
over
really
on
loaded
everything. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah. I mean, between our builds, Anthony's builds, Blake builds, we need a lot of tires, so we gotta keep them supplied.
Hell yeah. And they're always going on back order, so if you can get them, you get them.
Exactly, man. But yeah, let's do a little quick little tour. Our 73 F250 red. It's on Dynatrack, 60 and 80 axles, 482 big block, 427 board and stroked out, aluminum heads, roller rockers, you know, etc. Great build. TKO 500 5-speed. One of my favorite trucks we own. This is Gladys, our F350. She's got a 460 with a ZF5.
We know how it looks.
Yeah, you know how she looks. She's pretty good. This is a new one for us. We got this from Ford Stangs Denton Cruise. Thank you. It's a 76 F250. I got a 360 in it, factory AC. So, you know, nice all-around driver.
Beautiful truck.
Driver quality truck, you know.
Absolutely.
Just hop in and go. It's a good one.
I dig it.
Yeah. This guy's finally under the knife. We're still trying to figure out exactly how we want to build this thing out. So if y'all have some ideas, please send me a comment or two.
I think it needs to get lifted up as high as Montana.
Yep.
With some better steel wheels and yeah.
Dial it in with some Detroits, you know?
Those two-piece, just a little bit sketch.
Could shoot off at any given moment.
Yep, you never know.
Any given moment.
Just like drive shafts.
Oh yeah.
Working on your baby?
Yeah, this is my old baby. This is my 76 Bronco. 351 Windsor.
We just did a serpentine system in it. Finishing that up, finishing up some power steering on it. And, she'll be back together and back on the road.
Now to the Bat Cave.
To the Bat Cave. So, since we all been here last time, El Jefe has not moved an inch. We are currently in process of ordering parts for it. So next time y'all are around, you'll see some progress on it.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. There's just so
Parts
many
take
things
forever.
going on. We got Betty White, our Cummins powered D200. We got my 92 Acura NSX.
Hot boy.
110,000 miles on it. Just, you know, run the mill. Got a Wimbledon White 62 Wrong Bet F100. We're about to put a 4BT into this sucker. We pulled the 6.9 IDI out of it. It is gone. If you want it, hit me up. It's for sale.
Yeah, here, if you guys want to see how it looks, it could be all yours. Do you know how much you want for it or not sure yet?
Yeah, man, 800 bucks.
800 bucks.
Yeah, you get the T18 core with it for free.
There you go. So Atlanta, Georgia, it's already on a pallet. You guys can ship it anywhere. Hit up Bennett.
Yep.
His Instagram is P15_4x4.
Thank you. Got my daily, who is currently down right now on a fuel pump, you know.
It's always something.
Always something. An old Blazer. And we got the Sheriff, who we just finished up our last little bits of our suspension components on it. We did a James Duff kit on it. Finished up the coil springs inside, did a nice little steering setup on it, and steering stabilizer. About to finish up the rear axle on it, and she'll be back on the road.
Nice.
Hopefully
And this one's going to be for sale soon, right?
It'll be for sale soon, exactly.
Yeah. Awesome.
And finally, last but not least, our beautiful slickside crew. One of three, one
Just
of
been
one.
chilling.
You know, it's waiting for its time to shine.
Yeah, one of them days.
One of these days, exactly.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys. This is where I'm going to end this video. We don't have anything else crazy planned for today. Truck's broken. Matt actually went to go drop off the old drive shaft and the U-joints and all of that to the drive shaft shop, and they said they could hopefully knock it out by tomorrow. And yeah, should be fairly straightforward. So as always, if you guys can, smash that like button. If you have any questions, comments, drop them down below. And I'm trying to figure out a name for the truck. So if you guys have any ideas, drop that in the comments below. And as always, you want to get some cool hats, shirts, FordEra.com. We'll see you in the next video. All right, guys, so I guess I was wrong. We are doing something cool. We're driving this beautiful Denside Big Red. So yeah, we're doing that, and we're gonna go home with this. Now the video's over.